Hello friends, Becca here, the creator of PowHERbands. But I'm not here to tell you about the PowHERbands. I'm here to tell you about the masterclass that I'm doing. That's right. I have a sugar detox that I've been doing for the last 7 years, but I'm adding it even sweeter by adding a 90-minute masterclass. In this masterclass, you are going to 100% be able to learn how to purge your sugar cravings and what causes them. I'm going to be teaching you my 10-step blueprint that is going to help you quit the sugar, and I'm giving you my #1 change your habit neuroscience-based tool that is going to support you. Listen, if you have a bad relationship with yourself or food, you've got to go in this. If you've been feeling sluggish or fatigued and overeating, we're going to hit all this. In this 90 minutes, I'm going to give you some of my top coaching tips. Where you are and where you want to be, don't wait for 2023. Ooh, that rhymes. 2023 is all about me. That one rhymes too. It is all about you. So go ahead and sign up for the masterclass. I can't wait to see you there. Oh yeah, and I made it a little bit sweeter. I'm giving away over $500 worth of products. So jump on in. I will see you there. Create your best day ever.